Learn English easily. A trip to the grocery store. One bright and sunny morning, little Jhony woke up with a big smile. Today, he was going on an adventure with his mom. They went to the grocery store to buy food for the whole week. Jhony had been to the store many times, but he had never really paid attention to how shopping worked. He was eager to learn. After a quick breakfast, Jhony and his mom grabbed their reusable shopping bags and set off for the store. The store was not far from their house, so they decided to walk. As they walked, Jhony's mom explained, "We need to buy many things today, like fruits, vegetables, bread, and milk." When they reached the store, Jhony was amazed that the store was much bigger than he remembered. The first stop was the fruit and vegetable section. Jhony saw apples, bananas, oranges, carrots, potatoes, and so many other fruits and vegetables that he couldn't name them all. His mom explained, "We eat fruits and vegetables because they are healthy and give us energy." She let Jhony pick his favorite fruit. He chose a bunch of bright yellow bananas. Next, they went to the bread aisle. There were shelves filled with all kinds of bread: white bread, whole wheat bread, and even bread with seeds on top. Jhony's mom picked up a big loaf of whole wheat bread. "This bread is for our sandwiches," she said. Jhony loved sandwiches, especially the ones his mom made with peanut butter and jelly. Then it was time to visit the dairy section. There were refrigerators filled with milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. His mom said, "Dairy products are important for strong bones." Jhony helped her choose a carton of milk and a pack of his favorite cheese. Jhony's eyes grew wide when they reached the cereal aisle. It was colorful and full of boxes with pictures of fruits, stars, and even some cartoon characters. His mom told him, "You can pick one cereal box for your breakfast." Jhony chose a box with a big, happy sun on it. He thought it would be fun to eat breakfast that looked like the sun. They also needed eggs. In the egg section, there were so many eggs. Jhony's mom picked up a carton and asked Jhony to put it in their shopping bag. He did it very carefully because he knew eggs could break easily. After they got everything on their list, they went to the checkout counter. Jhony watched in fascination as the cashier scanned each item. He saw the numbers on the screen change with each item. Then his mom paid for the groceries with her card. Jhony helped put the groceries back into the bags. On their way home, Jhony felt very grown-up and helpful. He had learned so much about different kinds of food and how to shop for them. He couldn't wait to tell his friends about his adventure at the grocery store and how he had helped his mom with the shopping.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.